Namaste. Today we are going to learn skip counting. Skip counting is one of the important concepts in pre-primary. It helps the child to see patterns in numbers, lays foundation for number sense, creates a mathematical mind, and helps in learning the multiplication facts and division, and also helps in developing fluency in calculation. So let's start. Once upon a time there lived Frodo the frog. He was drinking water in the pond. After that he wanted to rest underneath the tree. Then he saw some stones and a cave. He wanted to explore. So he started hopping on the stones and he reached slowly the cave. He was so happy. He went back again and he wanted to do the same thing again. But this time he wanted to skip number and then hop. So he skipped number 1 and he landed on number 2. He skipped number 3 and he landed on number 4. He skipped number 5 and he landed on number 6. He skipped number 7. He landed on number 8. He skipped number 9 and he landed on number 10. Then he skipped again back to the stone number 0. Let's see how many stones did he skip. 1, 2. He landed on 2. 1, 2. He landed on 4. 1, 2. He landed on 6. 1, 2. He landed on 8. 1, 2. He landed on 10. And children, this is called skip counting of 2. Now that we have learned how to do skip counting, let's see how we can practice at home with the things that are available with us. I have made a number line card and we have some clothespin. So we will do skip counting of 2 on this number line. 1, 2. Let's put the clothespin. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now the skip counting, let's see what are the numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. This is the skip counting of 2. The child can record these numbers. Now we are going to do skip counting of 5 using paper clips and a paper plate. I have written the numbers from 0. So let's start putting the clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have put all the paper clips and the skip counting of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Child can record it. Now we are going to do skip counting of 10 using lace. On the paper plate I have written the numbers from 0 to 100 and I have made holes with punching machine. Now Frodo is at 0. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and Frodo has reached number 10. Then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The same thing we can do using a lace. At the end of the lace, you have to tie a knot. Now let's start from 0. Push, pull, push, pull. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is the skip counting of 10. Child can again record it. Now we are going to do skip counting of 3, and this time we will be using the whiteboard, and I have drawn a caterpillar. Now caterpillar has numbers on it. So let's skip count 1, 2, 3, and we will color this part of the caterpillar, and we are going to write the number below 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's color this, and it is number 6. We are going to write number 6 here. 1, 2, 3. Let's color number 9, and we are going to write 9 here. So in the skip counting of 3, we get numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you can go on. Child can record this. You can also practice skip counting using number chart. I have taken a number chart of 1 to 50 here and some rajma beans. Instead of rajma beans, you can also use chana or beads for this activity. This is skip counting of 2. This is skip counting of 5. This is skip counting of 10. This is skip counting of 3. Children, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's end the video with a song. Let's all sing along with me. Skip, skip, skip all day. Skip, skip, skip all day. Skip, skip, skip all day. Skip all day and shout hooray! Thank you.